Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on what's going on down by Parade. Now, Parade is in downtown Kingston. It's one of the busiest areas in Kingston. And it also has a very large bus park. But the bus park doesn't have, it's not like the one in Halfway Tree that's covered and has places for the buses to load and those kind of things. So the Minister of Transport recently toured it and announced some changes to be made down by the bus park, down by Parade. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more info on the plans for Parade. Changes are coming to the bus bays at North and South Parade in downtown Kingston to improve the travel experience for commuters. Those under consideration include the installation of safety rails, canopies to provide shelter from the sun and rain. Seat signage, street lights, designated bus service for students, and general reorganization of the bays, which are mainly utilized by the JUTC. This is one of the new JUTC buses in front of us, and now we're going to go along Parade. This is West Parade, and then as we turn the corner, we're going to go on to South Parade. And then once we pass the stoplight on the left, that is where you have the South Parade bus park. The bays facilitate JUTC and other transport stakeholder buses traversing routes between downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree, Harbourview and Upper St. Andrew, as well as Spanish Town and Portmore and St. Catherine. Okay, so there's one of the buses parked, and you can see it's just parked out in the open. If it's raining, you're on your own. There is nowhere for you to sit. Look, see people standing waiting on the bus to come. So this is what they're talking about, that they're going to fix up the facilities down here. And you can see the taxis just stop right in front of the place, because I guess as you come off the bus, you go into a taxi, or the taxi drops you off and you go onto the bus. So definitely some improvement needs to be made down here. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, made a disclosure while addressing journalists during a tour and assessment of the bays. Among the issues highlighted were vehicular traffic congestion, vending and parking in unauthorized zones. Guys, look at this. It's a literal free-for-all. You notice you don't see one police officer in this video. Now you can see people parked everywhere. That's a park on the right. And you can see that people are just parked anywhere. Look on the left. The taxis just stop anywhere. Talk about congestion, vending, parking in unauthorized zones. And it's very strange. You have one of the busiest places in Kingston, and you have taxis and you have buses, and there's not one police officer to direct traffic. Nothing. Nobody. Transport authority. Nobody to there. That's the bus bay on North Parade now. There you can see, look at that taxi just stopped in the middle of the road. Same thing for North Parade. There you see the buses stop. There's no covering, there's nothing. You have to sit down literally on the roadside. There's not one seat, nothing for. And then look on the right, that bus is literally stopped. That's not a parking spot in there, that's a lane. And the bus is stopped there, and the people have to cross or go across 2 lanes of traffic to get into. Look at the taxis parked on the sidewalk. and there's another bus, the door is open, and guess what? You have to cross 2 lanes of traffic to get into this bus. See the door there? I'm really surprised. Alright, so Minister Vaz said based on these and other factors, there is definitive need for some changes to be made here logistically to make the place more customer friendly. He advised that to this end a committee comprising representatives of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Transport Authority, Jamaica Constabulary Force, Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, and JUTC will be assembled to oversee the project. Change is coming and we are going to make the experience a better experience. While we look about the importation of new buses to make the frequency and the reliability and the timeliness of buses on their routes better, we want to ensure that persons have a safe and comfortable experience. In the coming weeks and months, you will see definitive changes down here, the minister said. Alright guys, so we will keep you updated on what's going on down here. And guys, leave your comments. Let us know what you think about the bus parks here. And for those who live overseas, what's it like where you live in terms of a bus park? Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.